hope I recorded the last one. That sucked.
Here we're at Grassy Creek Trail.
Looks like Grassy.
Grassy Creek.
Grassy Creek.
Whee! See if we can speed on that. That'd be a lot of fun. A little sandy. Whoa, thought I missed that one. I lost the front end. I can feel a little sandy out here, but finally caught up to me. That's the first time my Maxxis Recon has let me down. Usually I'll slide and hook back up. Not that time. Luckily it was just the low side, not a high side, like Mark Marquez did in free practice yesterday. Ooh, that was terrible. And Honda pitched him up in the air like a rag doll. Going and getting crossed up. Running going one way and the rear end going the other.
Somebody moved it. Dang it. Ah, shit. Why'd they move my rock? I purposely put that rock there so I could make that jump. Look, I put this rock right there. They freaking moved it. Jagoffs. All right. Ready? Super sketch downhill rock. Ugh.
That is not a good place to start. Lower my seat. Oh, branches. I know that looks like nothing on camera, but it's kind of sketchy. And here we are to another creek crossing.
All right, so this is how we do creek crossings. You pick up your bike and you jump on rocks.
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
Good job, baby.